Now we can discuss about another good fact, that is machine learning. Machine learning is a branch of artificial intelligence and computer science which focuses on the use of data and algorithms to imitate the way that humans learn, gradually improving its accuracy. What is machine learning with example? Supervised machine learning models are trained with labeled data sets which allow the models to learn and grow more accurate over time. For example, an algorithm would be trained with pictures of dogs and other things, all labeled by humans, and the machine would learn ways to identify pictures of dogs on its own. Then another question is, what is AI versus machine learning? Artificial intelligence and versus machine learning. While machine learning is based on the idea that machines should be able to learn and adapt through experience, AI refers, AI means artificial intelligence, refers to a broader idea where mechanics can execute tasks smartly. Artificial intelligence applies machine learning, deep learning, and other techniques to solve actual problems. Already we can see in car makings also, artificial robots are also working nowadays. It is also a type of machine learning. Machine learning to artificial intelligence to software, likewise. The what is machine learning in simple words? Machine learning is a type of artificial intelligence that allows software applications to become more accurate at predicting outcomes without being explicitly programmed to do so. Machine learning algorithms use historical data as input to predict new output values. And the another question is, what are the four types of machine learning? Machine learning. There are four types of machine learning algorithms. So supervised, those are supervised, semi-supervised, unsupervised, and reinforcement. Reinforcement. And what another question is, why is ML important? Machine learning is important. That is, ML is important. Machine learning is important because it gives enterprises a view of trends in customer behavior and operational business patterns, as well as supports the development of new products. Many of today's leading companies such as Facebook, Google, and Uber make machine learning a central part of their operations. Already we know pretty well about Uber and all these things also. Uber, Ola, and Rapido. All these are maps are coming. Only one user is confirming this, means he is coming directly to our spot. So that is the effect of all these machine learning system only. Which language is best for machine learning? Another question is, which language is best for machine learning? Python leads the pack. Python leads the pack because it is having, with artificial intelligence, with 57% of data scientists and machine learning developers using it, and 33% prioritizing it for development. Little wonder, given all the evolution in the deep learning Python frameworks over the past 2 years, including the release of Tens, TensorFlow, and a wide selection of other libraries. Likewise, Python is giving a very good impact for developing artificial intelligence programs, and as well as by getting the learning of machine learning, by getting the importance of machine learning also. This is the information regarding machine learning. Wishing you all the best.